Hey, Professor Bear here. Today I have more illustration styles to share with you. Laundry Gryffins. This one is inspired by the Gryffin Project, Humanitarians, AI's nonprofit branding initiative. These amazing mythical creatures look like they're made entirely out of fabric scraps and perfectly symbolize what the project stands for. The eagle-like vision, lion-like courage, and wolf-like collaboration that helps protect and empower nonprofit brands. If you want to try this yourself, just use the P code in the description. Gryffin, made of laundry, R16.9. Profile, wvwxerj. These textile sculptures really capture the spirit of the Gryffin Project's mission to support nonprofits with branding, marketing, and fundraising.